Your beloved Pooch smells like poop, and it's not even his. Why do dogs roll in poop? Dogs are America's favorite pet. Well, after fish and cats. There are around 80 million pet dogs in the US, and to date, science has yet to come up with a dog that doesn't poop. As a result, Americans deal with 10 million tons of doggy doo-doo every year. Enough to fill 300,000 tractor trailers, which, if lined up, would form a poop convoy from Seattle to Boston. A dog's sense of smell is 100,000 times more sensitive than ours. So you'd have thought they'd go out of their way to avoid any stench. Instead, they work it into their fur like it's some luxury conditioner. To explore this unpleasant habit, we're going way back to where it all began, the wolf. There's not much family resemblance, but these guys are brothers under the fur, sharing an ancestry going back 20,000 years, when this poo-rolling behavior originated. At the Wild Spirit Wolf Sanctuary in New Mexico, 3 Arctic wolves are prepping for some rolling. Forest, Alice, and Thunder were rescued and hand-raised by their 4th, less toothy pack member, Layton, a.k.a. the Wolf Daddy. Layton bottle-fed these beautiful wolves for the first 4 months of their lives.
Have you ever seen anything as cute as a 19-day-old wolf puppy? There's nothing cuter.
Now that they're all grown up, Layton wants to use his wolves to help him figure out why they love to roll around in stinky things. He's going to lay a path of different smells to see which they go for. First down is wolf poop. Second is a spritz of elk urine.
That is stinky stuff.
Next up, the wild card, some fancy-smelling perfume.
Well, that's going to smell nice and pretty.
So how will the pack react to these 3 tempting odors? Bring in the wolves.
Just by the wolf poop. 0 interest in the wolf poo. That's the elk urine. Oh, that's good stinky stuff.
Forrest seems much more interested in the urine. Now for the high-class perfume.
Oh, there's that perfume. Oh, he's going to be a really good smelling wolf, that's for sure.
Forrest was intrigued by the elk urine, which had a certain something. But he loved the perfume and tried his best to wear it. But the poo left him cold. Might as well not have been there. So what's going on?
Why are they rolling stinky things like dead things and get all over them? Because it wants to share its scent with you.
By covering their body in an unfamiliar scent, the wolves can tell their pals about the interesting things they've discovered.
They go back to the pack and go, hey, smell this.
Rolling around in elk pee tells the rest of the pack, hey guys, there's a new place around the corner that does the best elk. Come and check it out.
Hey, smell this. I'll show you where it's at.
Rolling around in the perfume tells the pack there's an unusual odor in town. And this one's definitely not from around here.
That's a very foreign scent to the wolves. They hadn't smelled that before, so getting that on them is something they could definitely go share with the rest of the pack that, hey, smell me.
And as for the wolf poo,
why would we roll in that? It doesn't send a signal to our pack mates about anything except maybe I like to stink bad.
Layton thinks if the poo hadn't have come from one of the pack, it would be a different story.
Rolling in another animal's poo is something that they will almost always do.
Layton's wolves have revealed the ancient instinct behind your dirty dog's habit. When your pet pooch is rolling about in stinky stuff, they're just trying to tell you something interesting. Hey, owner, you're not going to believe what I've just found. there was a big dog that's been eating curry and steamed broccoli.
So if you're really bothered with your dog rolling and stinky things in your yard, I have an idea for you. Why don't you just grab a bottle of perfume, spray that around the yard, and see what your dog would prefer. The stinky, nasty stuff, or the wonderful smell of the perfume?
Good tip, Leighton.